The art of mastery. Unlocking excellence in any skill. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore a fascinating and powerful concept, the art of mastery. Whether you're learning a new language, a musical instrument, or any other skill, understanding this concept can significantly enhance your journey. Let's dive into what it means and how you can apply it to achieve excellence. The art of mastery refers to the process of becoming exceptionally skilled in a particular area. It's not just about learning something, it's about achieving a high level of proficiency. This involves dedication, practice, and a deep understanding of the nuances of the skill. Key points. Mastery is more than just learning, it's about excelling. It requires consistent practice and dedication. Understanding the finer details is crucial. To achieve mastery in any field, there are certain key components that one must focus on. A. Deliberate practice. Practice should be purposeful and focused. Quality of practice matters more than quantity. B. Patience and persistence. Mastery takes time. Patience is essential. Persistence is key, even when progress seems slow. C. Continuous learning. Always be open to learning more. Adapt and refine your skills as you learn. For those learning English or any language, applying the art of mastery can be transformative. Strategies. Immerse yourself in the language. Practice speaking, writing, and reading regularly. Seek feedback and be open to corrections. The path to mastery is not without its challenges. Here's how to navigate them. Tips. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Stay motivated by setting small, achievable goals. Remember why you started and keep your ultimate goal in mind. I hope this video helps you understand and apply the art of mastery in your endeavors. Remember, mastery is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the process. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your journey to mastery.